Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study History GCSE. First, let's understand the exam. Begin by thoroughly reviewing your exam board specification to grasp the assessment objectives and content. This typically involves understanding 4 key areas: knowledge and understanding, explanation and analysis, interpretation and evaluation of sources. Knowing these will guide your study, helping you focus on what examiners are looking for in your answers. Spend about 15 minutes initially to map out your entire course. Now let's talk about effective revision techniques. Active recall is incredibly powerful. Instead of passively rereading, try to retrieve information from memory. For instance, after studying a topic, close your book and write down everything you remember. Spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, also significantly boosts retention. Dedicate 25 minutes to a topic, then take a 5-minute break, repeating this cycle for optimal focus. Source analysis is a cornerstone of history exams, often accounting for 25 to 30% of your marks. When analyzing a source, always consider its provenance, who created it, when, and why. This helps you assess its reliability and potential bias. Practice evaluating the utility of a source for a given inquiry, understanding its strengths and limitations. Aim to analyze at least 3 different types of sources each week. Finally, let's discuss essay writing, which is crucial for demonstrating your understanding and analytical skills. A strong essay requires a clear thesis statement in the introduction, followed by well-developed paragraphs, each focusing on a distinct point. Always back up your arguments with precise historical evidence. Practice writing essays under timed conditions, aiming for a 25 to 30-minute response for a typical 12-mark question to refine your structure and speed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.